Happy New Year to all of you. For those of you who have been following Gen Z Investments since I launched it in the summer of 2020, I want to thank you for your support. For those of you who are new, this is the video you want to watch to get started in 2024. Also, if you have not yet checked it out yet, be sure to visit my merch store at gzistore.com when you have time. First, I am really happy with the 50 stocks we have accumulated in the GZI portfolio, some of which have been purchased as many as 7 times over the past few years. Collectively, these stocks have performed very well for us despite some very turbulent markets over the course of the time I've been running Gen Z Investments. We took advantage of price dips to buy fundamentally sound stocks that I have no plans to sell for many, many years. I am proud to be holding a portfolio that is globally diverse and built for long-term success. As things stand today, I have personally seen hundreds of dollars in overall gains on my portfolio, even though my weekly investment has been limited to purchasing a $5 fractional share. As I look closer at our individual stocks, we have many that have exceeded 50% growth, to include companies like NVIDIA, which has nearly doubled in value since I added it to the portfolio. I look forward to continuing to build the GZI portfolio holdings in the year ahead. I think that covers it for those of you who are already investors, and the rest of this video will be focused on information for new investors. Please reach out to me if you have any questions. Okay, switching gears for the new folks. I need to start off by explaining the Gen Z investment strategy. I am investing a small amount of money each week into fundamentally strong stocks that meet these 2 criteria. 1, they are companies that I am personally familiar with and impressed by. 2, they are also companies that I believe will be around for decades to come. If they meet both of those criteria, they are eligible to become a Gen Z Investments stock. In order to follow along with me, you need as little as $5 per week to add to your portfolio to purchase my weekly stock pick. I have provided links in my video description below to learn more about fractional shares, which allows us to make smaller weekly investments without buying full shares of stock, as well as custodial brokerage accounts for investors under 18 years old. I use Charles Schwab, but you can use any other brokerage provided they offer fractional shares. Once you have your account set up, you can purchase fractional shares. You just need You just need to do 2 things. First, decide how much you want to commit to the investment strategy each week, as well as whether or not you'd like to invest in the existing stocks right away or buy them over time. With 50 stocks in the Gen Z portfolio, which are listed in the video description below, you would need at least $250 to invest $5 in each week. Second, you can subscribe and hit post notifications on this YouTube channel to receive an alert each week when I release my buy of the week. I will provide information on any new company and my rationalization for why I chose the specific investment each week. We will also be rebuying stock we already hold, increasing our holdings in each. Before we move on, it is important to mention that the value of any stock portfolio is going to fluctuate over time. The Gen Z investment strategy is to buy and hold stocks for the long term. So I would recommend that you don't panic and sell when the stock market dips. In fact, for us as Gen Z investors, those are just opportunities to buy stocks at a lower price. Regardless, it is important that everyone realizes profits are never guaranteed when trading stocks, even though this is a low-risk, long-term strategy. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to receive alerts, and if you're on Instagram, please follow me at Gen Z Investments. You can send me a private message there if you have any questions at any time. Finally, help spread the word on our community with some Gen Z Investments gear, which you can find at my online store by visiting gzistore.com. I look forward to this adventure together.